are the funniest animal moments you have ever seen.
Ready, boy?
Oh!
Mexe quieto.
Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Chucky, no! No! Chucky, please, no! Please! No!
These guys thought they were sneaky.
Oh no!
Go. Go. You almost got it. No.
Oh no. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. No.
Here you go. Here's my ticket. Here's my ticket.
Bruh.
It's me. Get my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy.
This is why you don't mess with a grumpy cat.
But my hope will never die.
Dança, papai. Um cachorro feliz. Um cachorro feliz.
Y podemos ver nuevamente a Randy que se posiciona, va abriendo la altura de la cintura, y posteriormente va a hacer una revisión en donde va a subir
I can smell you.
Está marcando. Vamos a cambiar a la persona completamente.
Thank you for watching, and if you made it all the way to the end, drop an emoji down in the comment section. See you on the next one!